Ah.
Stolen from the university.
Okay.
I'll send you the recording if it works.
Okay, sounds good.
Watch your heads, there's a big man coming through.
No.
It's okay, Brian. Brian, it's okay.
No guitar.
No.
No guitar. No
You see, when my kids got to that stage where they told me not to sing
You
anymore.
guys know how to do crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce, macaroni fingers, and marshmallow lips. Give me a hint. I'm going to make everybody over here in the orange group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I want you to all shout after me, Aroshta! Good. And that's the Irish for orange. Now I want everyone over here to be in the green group. And you all have to shout glass. Glass. Now you have to shout Aroshta right back at them.
Glass.
Everyone after me. Aroshta. Glass. And that's how it was a long time ago. Not in Ireland. There was a bunch of people somewhere about Germany and even in Turkey. And they were shouting Aroshta and glass at each other like this. So let's hear Aroshta again. Lovely. Aroshta. And let's hear glass over here. Glass. So the Romans came along and the Romans went, go away! Yeah. Let's have a Roman. I think we'll have a Roman here. Have to shout, go away!
Go away!
Oh. So all the people who were shouting Glas and Aroshta went away. Away in their boats. Can you all row a boat? Can you all row a boat? Let's all row as hard as we can. Let's row our boat. Let's row our boat. Wow, Ahmed, you're a great rower. Oh, look at all that. Now we're going to row for 6 days and 6 nights. Can you all count up to 6? There's a trick to this. We're going to do it in Irish. Repeat after me. Ian. Do. Tree. Car. Cuig. Shay. Shacht. And we're there. We've got to Ireland. Do you know how big Ireland is? It's quite big. Let's take a look. Do you know what a map is? Has anyone ever seen a map?
I'll get the globe. Big, yes, big.
Let's see. Let's see. Do I have a map with Ireland on it here? Oh, that's not a map with Ireland on it. That's a story that we'll be telling you in a minute.
Brian has one.
Ireland is an island. There's Ireland, and there's the water all around it. And we have just rowed our boat across the water, and we've landed in Ireland. Do you think we're still fighting? Are we still shouting Aroshta? Are we still shouting Glass? We are. The Romans got rid of us, but we're still fighting. So do you know what? We don't just fight like with our drums. We're going like this. Aroshta, 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 Aroshta. Come on, Aroshta. Thank you. You can stop now. And the other crowd are shouting glass, glass. Let's hear you. Glass, 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 glass. There was a man called St. Patrick, and he lived across the water from Ireland, and he heard all of the shouting. And he thought, that's no good. That's no good at all. I'm going to go over there right now and see can I sort them out. So he put on a big green coat, and he got in a boat. Will we all row with St. Patrick over to Ireland?
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's count up to 7 again. In.
Ing.
Do.
Do.
3.
Stray.
Care.
Care.
Cooing.
Cooey.
Shay.
Shay.
Shacht.
Shaft.
We've got to Ireland.
Woo.
Oh, but the Aroshta people are still shouting Aroshta.
Arashta.
And the Glass people are still shouting Glass. So St. Patrick came in and he said, "Stop!" Which is Irish for stop. And everyone in the island stopped. And do you know who that man's name was?
Just like when we stopped the drums.
That man's name was Patrick.
Patrick.
Saint Patrick. And
Patrick.
he was so good at stopping all the fighting that they named him the patron saint of Ireland. You know what a saint is? A saint is a very holy person, a very good person. And from then on to this day, the Irish people all go, "Saint Patrick, you're great. You saved us all." And now I want to sing you all a song.
You drums need to be behind.
Can I sing you a song?
Thank you.
I'm going to sing
Thank
you
you,
an
Esme.
Irish
Thank you,
song.
Maggie. Thank you, Molly.
I'm going to sing you an Irish song about
Ahmed.
somebody
Drum behind
who
me.
tried to take his boat out in the water, but you know what happened? He got a hold in his boat,
Uh-oh.
and it went brook, 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 brook. Isn't that terrible? It went down to the bottom of the sea, and his name was Phileme. It's a silly name.
Phileme.
Phileme. And do you know what? Well, I don't need to tell you this. I'll tell you. A boat in Ireland is a board, and a little boat is a boidine. And Phileme's little boat is boidine Ileme. And firstly, we're going to take it to an island called Gola, and then we're going to take it to an island called Tory, and then the boat's going to sink.
Uh-oh.
Where's it going to go now? It's going to go to Tory.
Oh, off to Tory.
Hello. Boidin bida, boidin biosa, boidin boya, boidin nei, boidin tina, boidin dionda, boidin nei, this baby. It's about to go down. You all have to put a sad face on now. Sad faces, please. Boidin nei, brishu et ori, boidin nei, this baby. Poor Phileme lost his boat. Oh!
Did he
I
go
just put it on
swimming?
very sadly. He was able to swim back to the shore and he didn't drown.
Good.
Great.
And he's not fish. No. And now, do you know where you all live? What the name of this country is? What's the name of this country?
Do we know what country we live in?
I don't really know. I don't know which stream it is.
Ah, well that's very clever. But it's even bigger than that. It's called the United
States.
United States of Cheese, isn't that right?
No.
No.
Oh, the United States of Apples.
No.
What's it called? The United States of But do you know what? Once the orange group and the green group found that they could get on well together because St. Patrick was such a good man, they decided they'd found their own country. And they said, what do we call it? We'll call it cheese. Someone said, no, that's not good. We eat cheese, we don't live in cheese. Someone said, we'll call it Pachubi Bobby Wabby Dooby. And someone else said, that's too hard to say. And someone else said, let's call it Ireland. I said, that's a great name. What sort of a flag do you think we have? And you know what they did? I thought it was a very clever idea. To show that the green group and the orange group were friends now, they put a white stripe between the green and the orange. And the green and the orange are friends now, isn't that nice?
Yay!
Hooray! But, have I
I
told
got
you?
orange on my shirt.
That's fantastic! We have green over here and orange over there with green here.
I got green on my shirt.
Oh, isn't that fantastic? So, are you bored yet? Will I tell
And
you another
over
story?
here.
Will I tell you another
And
story?
Sure.
over here.
Can Breen tell us another story?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us another story.
Well, let's see now.
Oh yeah, orange, yeah.
Fiona loves this story, and she said you can't leave the preschool without telling this story. Now, Saoirse, and it's in Irish, so I'll have to translate it for you. And it's called The Fight on the Hill, on Threads Erin Gruch. Isn't that terrible? I suppose it's a bit like the green group and the orange group going like that. And the pictures aren't very big, but if you look in closely, you'll see it. What animals are they?
Sheep and pigs.
They're pigs and they're goats.
Close. Yeah, good.
Very good, very good. Goats have those silly horns on them. Now, the pigs went on a picnic. Their mommy made 100 sandwiches for them.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Oh, they might get a tummy ache. Breen.
I hope not. We'll find out what happens. The goats went on a picnic. Where's the goats? And their mommy made 100 burgers for them.
Oh, goodness.
The pigs,
Yeah, they might.
the pigs climbed up the hill. And they climbed past the flowers, past the rocks, and they went, here's the Irish for up. Soos, soos, soos. Can you all say soos?
Soos. Soos. Soos.
Wow, that's fantastic! And that means up, up, up in Irish. Iona fitted that to soos or up? Maho. The goats went on a picnic up the hill, and they went past the big rocks and the curvy tree. The big rocks and the curvy tree. And they went, what do you think? Did they go up or down?
Up.
They also went up. Did you all say it? Soos, soos, soos?
Soos. Soos. Soos.
That's fantastic! Huh. They met at the top of the hill. Oh dear. And the pig said, we got here first. And the goat said, no, 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 we got here first. And then they began to push each other. And you know what happened? Look what happened. The pigs pushed the goat's burgers and they rolled down the hill. And they went, shees, shees, shees. What do you think shees means? If you go soos, soos, soos up the hill, what do the burgers do? Down the hill. Can you all say, shees, shees, shees? And down they went. And down they went. Oh, the goats all started to cry. The goats all started to cry. Our picnic is ruined. We don't burgers anymore.
They can cook some more at their home.
Aha!
Oh, maybe.
The pigs felt really sorry for the goats. And they said, we're really sorry. Would you like to share our sandwiches with us?
That's nice.
Isn't that nice? And the goat said, okay. And the pig said, it's silly to be fighting over a hill, isn't it? And the goat said, and then they started to eat something, and they cheered up. Woo. And then the pigs and the goats were very happy. And they all went down the hill together, and the goat said, "Let's visit our house." And down they went to Mommy Goat. Down they went to Mommy Goat. And they said, "Mommy, can our new friends the pigs stay for tea?" And Mommy said, "I guess so." And then the goat said, "But what are we going to eat, Mommy?" And do you know what Mommy said? "We're going to eat the 100 burgers that rolled down the hill this afternoon, right in my front door."
Oh, that's silly.
Where did the 100 burgers come from?
Right, they were at the picnic.
Isn't that
They
silly?
rolled down the hill.
Now, let me see. Whew. Oh, I'm tired. Do you think it's worthwhile telling another story or singing another song? We should just say, "Let's finish."
No, say, we want more.
We want more.
More!
More.
Let's see. I have to think very hard. Think of a nice song. Think of a nice song. It's a song that you can all clap to. Ready?
We're ready.
Okay. It goes like this. No, nay, never. And you go.
Okay.
No, nay, never, no more. And I've been a wild rover. No, never, no more. Are you all ready?
We're ready.
Does anyone know the wild rover I've heard it before? I've been a wild rover for many's the year, and I've spent all me money on the sea and beer. And now I'm returning with gold and great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And there's no nay, never. Clap, 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 clap. No nay, never, no more. And I played the wild rover. I'll go back to my parents, that's what I've done, and ask them to pardon the prodigal son. And when they've caressed me as oft before, well, I never will play the one over no more. And there's no day, never. 4 claps!
1, 2, 3.
No day, never, no more. And I played wild rover, no never, no more.
Yeah.
There we are. There. I think you know everything you need to know about Ireland. We're a lovely people. Can you all remember how to count? Let's count up to 3. Ain,
Ain,
do,
do,
3. And I think the most important thing to learn in Irish is I love you.
Oh, that's a good one.
Can you all say that now?
my,
Is, ro, lum, who?
is,
Who?
Not bad. Let's try it once
Yeah,
more.
let's do it again.
Is, ro, lum, who?
Is, raw, yum, who?
Very good. Once more. Is, gra, lum, who? I think you have it. I do. I think they've got it. And there we are. Thank you so much. You were such good fun. Can I come back again and tell you another story sometime?
Yes.
Thank you.
Now, Brian, in Ireland, don't they like to dance a
We
lot?
dance all the time. Would you all like to dance to an
Well,
Irish tune?
Yes. I've got some music right here.
We've got to dance. We've
And
all
we've
got
got
to dance.
to dance
Maybe
a
Breen
little
can show
bit.
us some special Irish dance moves.
I sure will. But everybody has to dance with me.
Yes? Okay.
Now. Are you
I
ready?
hear it.
Are you ready? How lucky that you can all count. Because it involves 3 steps. Ready? Ain't no treat, ain't no treat, ain't no treat, ain't no treat, ain't no treat. Now everybody follow me. Ain't no treat, ain't no treat, ain't no treat. In a line.
Treat, here we go.
Ain't no treat, 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 ain't no treat,
Ain't no treat.
ain't no treat,
Ain't no treat. Ain't no treat.
Now we're in a circle. Are we all in a circle?
We're in a circle.
Ready?
Here we go. Ain't no treat. Indo
There's
tree.
a hop in there. Can you hop?
Indo
Can
tree.
you hop?
Indo tree.
Fantastic!
Indo tree.
Indo tree. Can you phone Apple Fiona down, sir?
Indo tree. Indo tree. Indo tree. Indo tree.
Oh, and she's a great,
Indo tree.
such great
Indo tree.
dancers.
Indo tree.
Oh, there's someone battling over there. She's back on the floor. Oh, fantastic. One, two, three. Oh.
Doing a jig. Yeah.
Ahmed, won't you dance? Won't you dance, Ahmed? Uh-oh. I better pick up Fiona. She's crying. She's so excited about the dances.
Good one, Molly. You're doing good. Indo tree, Indo tree. Dum da dum da dum dum dum. Dum Indo tree, Indo tree.
Well, there we go. Wasn't that fun?
That was wonderful.
Wow.
So, Breen, what's the significance of the clover?
Yes, tell us about that.
Oh, you want to know the story?
Hey,
Yeah, I can find out.
Well, the significance of the clover is actually,
Drums behind you, please.
it's a very Christian story. When St. Patrick came, he was a very holy man. Like I said, he was a very holy man. And he said, the people said to him, "What is God?" And he said, "God is three people." And they said, "How could God be three people? God should be one person." And he said, "No, God is the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit." And they said, "But that's three people." He said, but you don't know what it's like to be a trover. And he picked up a shamrock, it's called a shamrock, and it's got 3 leaves. Ah, there's one. There's two. Yeah, do. There's that 3. There's the 3-leaf Irish shamrock. And of course, they're all the same plant, but they're all separate. And the Irish people went, "Well, I suppose that makes sense. It's 3 leaves, but it's one plant." And the Irish went, "We like that idea." And they took on the shamrock as the national symbol of Ireland. Did you see that?
And
It's the national
people
symbol of
today
Ireland.
say that it's lucky.
Oh, yeah, particularly when you find a shamrock which doesn't have 3 leaves, but
Oh.
4. When you find a shamrock with 4 leaves. Look at that. No, take that for a second. Look at that. There's a clover with 4 leaves. Yeah. Can you count them? Let's count them in Irish. I bet you can't count them in Irish. Let's see. In, do, 3, car. Car. Again. In, do, 3, car. And now you're all going to have really good luck for the rest of the day.
Good.
There you are.
And is that why you wear green too? Like,
But you know, the Irish national colour used to be blue.
what?
Yeah.
Oh.
But then it rained so much in Ireland. It's very rainy in Ireland. All Irish people carry umbrellas. And some people are so sick of carrying umbrellas that they make special hats with umbrellas on them.
Whoa.
Yeah. So when the rain falls, you can just put your hat on. And you don't need to hold it up with your hand. It rains so much that the grass grows and 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 grows until you can hardly see your neighbour over the grass. So Irish people say, it's very green in this country. It's not green. So, we said, why don't we have green as the national colour, shamrock as the national symbol, and a flag with orange and green united as the national flag. Isn't that
Good.
great?
Yes.
That sounds good.
Good idea.
Yeah.
What else? Any more good questions about the
Does
Irish?
anybody have any questions? No? Is there a special
Esme
food
has her
maybe?
hand up. I think she
Oh,
has
sorry,
a question.
Esme. What's your question, Esme?
Irish.
About Irish? What do you want to know? A lot of what?
Frogs?
Oh, a lot of frogs? Oh, I don't know. Do they?
Well, let me see. Think very hard about that.
Put up.
It does.
There you go.
But do you know that frogs are very little frogs?
You don't have to
And
worry
when the
about
frogs jump, they go Bugara.
Bagara.
In America, they go ribbit.
Ribbit.
In Ireland, they go Bagara, Bagara, Bagara.
Bagara, 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 bagara.
Yeah.
Reed, are there special foods you're supposed to eat on St. Patrick's Day?
There aren't, but the Americans love to eat corned beef and cabbage.
Ooh, that's
They
yummy.
sure do. I don't know why corned beef is considered very Irish, because it's not. But I like corned beef. Yum, yum, yum. I'd eat it. We do love potatoes.
Ooh, potatoes.
But do you know where potatoes originally come from? Right here. A man called Walter Raleigh came over here in the 16th century and he found the potatoes and he said, tastes pretty good to me. And he brought it back to Ireland and he said, would you all like potatoes? And we said, we've never had any before. Let's try them. So we planted all the potatoes and since then we've been eating nothing but potatoes. Nothing but potatoes. Mashed potatoes, chipped potatoes, baked potatoes, boiled potatoes, potatoes raw, potatoes cooked, potatoes burned, potatoes up, potatoes down, potatoes upside down. Woo!
And I think later on I'll read you a story about potatoes. I think.
I suppose I could
Jamie
read the story.
O'Rourke and the
Oh.
big potato.
Oh,
That's for later.
what about Patrick Pig? Would you like the story about Patrick Pig?
Do you? Yes or no? Tell Breen.
I
Yes?
still have your attention, I think. Where's that bag gone? There it is.
Do another.
Oh, whoa, look at that. Oh, look, it's Richard Scarry.
It's Richard Scarry, who we love. Right. You get down there, right? Right. Patrick Pig. Where is Patrick Pig? There he is. Patrick Pig learns to talk. Do you know what? Irish people love castles. Do you know what a castle is? I'll show you a picture of the castle here. Just so you know what a nice Irish castle looks like.
Whoa, that's a big book.
The Mystery of Ireland. Oh, I get these books free all the time. All the time.
Look how green it is.
Look how green the country country is. Now you know. Look how green that is. It's a very green country. And let's see, where's that castle I wanted to show you? A good big picture of the castle here.
Oh, nice.
Isn't that nice?
Can we build one for the guinea pigs?
Fiona, Fiona, do you want to say with me?
You might be a while building a castle for the guinea pigs. But they'd be very happy.
Maybe we can turn them into Irish
So
guinea
there's lots
pigs.
of castles in Irish, thanks to a bunch of... Molly, are you making noise? Okay, let's try it again. Crisscross applesauce, macaroni fingers and marshmallow cheese. Not marshmallow lips, I meant to say. Yeah. Now, this story is called Patrick Pig Learns to Talk.
Oh, yes.
It is well known that every Irishman can talk. Do you think that's true? And talk, and talk. But not Patrick Pig. The only thing Patrick could say was... Poor Patrick. It's a disgrace that Patrick can't talk, said his father. We must take him to Blarney Castle. See, that's why I showed you the picture of the castle. And have him kiss the Blarney Stone. Have you ever heard of the Blarney Stone? If you kiss the Blarney Stone...
He did?
I did. They hung me upside down and I kissed the Blarney Stone upside down. Oh, it was very scary. But that's why I can't stop talking. Because I kissed the Blarney Stone. As everyone knows,
Put my head upside down and I can...
if you kiss the magic Blarney Stone, you will be able to talk about anything for hours and hours. Off to Blarney Castle they went in their little jaunting car. Do you know what Patrick said? But that's all he could say. They climbed to the top of the castle where the Blarney Stone was. Patrick's father held him while he kissed the Blarney Stone. Now, let us see if our fine broth of a lad can talk, said Patrick's father. And do you know what Patrick said? Do you think he went... No, because he had just kissed the Blarney Stone.
Now he knows how to
Very
talk.
good, Ahmed. Up the Irish! Shouted Patrick. Mother McCree, Aaron DeBraw, McNamara's band, Lucille Ogle, Kathleen Nora Daly, Sean O'Casey, and Albert Leventhal. I don't know about Albert Leventhal. His mother and father were very pleased. Patrick wasn't going anymore. He was shouting all sorts of words. Patrick is now a real talking Irishman, his father said. Come, it is time to go home. All the way home, Patrick talked. They're wearing in the green, sure and begorra, tooraloorala, Patrick said. Then he sang, did your mother come from Ireland, da-dee-da? It's a long way to Tipperary. He won't stop singing. When Irish eyes are smiling. That's the top typical Irish songs. Will the lad never stop talking? Patrick's father said. He's beginning to regret making him kiss the Blarney Stone. Patrick started to name all the kings of Ireland. King O'Murphy, King O'Toole, King O'Sullivan, King O'Rison. Patrick's father said to Patrick's mother, do you know of anything we can do to make him stop? Patrick's mother thought she knew of a way to make Patrick stop, but she couldn't tell. She couldn't tell Patrick's father. For you see, the only word she knew how to say was
Oink, oink.
oink. And so Patrick's father never did find out how to stop Patrick from talking. So I guess he's still talking now.
It's talking.
What's that?
She's a pig at home that's holding a heart.
Pig that's holding a heart, that's the best pig to have. I can't think of a better pig to have.
My baby had to go to the doctor.
Poor baby pig.
And she had a fall and she broke her leg.
She broke her leg.
Oh, we know how to fix that.
Yeah, we
right?
know how to fix that.
We can't have pigs breaking legs.
And
What's
I
wrong?
told my mom I can have
Molly,
my
right
legs.
here.
Molly, are you going to sit
Molly.
down? Thank you very much.
I can have
I think I'm all storied out. I can't think of a single story.
Wow, that was a
That's-
lovely
that-
story. I like that story.
Thank
Yeah.
you to Fiona's daddy. Yay!
Say thank you in
Yeah,
Irish.
have you say thank you.
Gura Mahagat.
Whoa.
Gura Mahagat.
Gura Mahagat.
Gura Mahagat.
And
Oh.
We'll have this story
Yeah, next
later
time.
after we make our shamrocks. That's what we're going to do next.
yeah, you're going to make shamrocks next time, and you're going to have another story about Jamie O'Rourke and the big potato. Oh. And do you know what the Irish for potato is? It's fata.
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 And some crazy Irish people say preta.
Fata.
Preta.
Fata.
Wow, you've got great ears and great lips. You can all say it really well.
Oh, okay. Brian, Esme would like to know how do you say goodbye?
Slán.
Salon.
Slán.
Salon.
Slán.
So maybe we'll see you next year. St. Patrick's Day.
How do you
So,
say hi?
How do you say hi?
Giaditch.
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 Chloe.
Giaditch or Majin.
Yeah, ditch mudgeon. Now I can say it better.
How do you spell
Giaditch.
How do you spell it?
So I want to know, Brian, is there a significance between Irish soda bread and the holiday, or it's just something that we like to eat?
I was going to bring some soda bread. I think soda bread is popular because it involves ingredients that are common in Ireland.
Oh, okay.
And it's easy to make.
And it's easy to make.
Even babies can do it.
And I love soda bread. I
Yeah.
had a loaf of it at home, and I was afraid I might have to give you some.
He didn't want
So I
to
didn't
share.
bring it. I didn't want to share my soda bread.
That's nice.
My neighborhood, the neighborhood.
And what are you going to do in the neighborhood?
They was my friends there.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. I live back in Maryland.
Good for you.
Yeah, he used to live in Maryland, Brian. He moved here. So he's going to go back to Maryland to visit.
That's Ruth.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for coming. I've already forgotten how to say thank you.
Thank you.
Gura Mahagat.
Glora Mahagat. Schlein.
Slán.
Slán.
Thank you for coming,
Glora
Fiona.
Mahagat.
Thank you for bringing the end of this Really fun. And now you get to go home and spend the rest of the day with Daddy, right?
Okay, we're going to
And we'll see you tomorrow.
get our shamrock leaves. And if you want to do a shamrock like in Ireland, you can use 3. But if you want to be lucky, you can use
How about sweet?
You want to leave? Okay.
Indochine.
Make a butter.
Make some clovers.
What? What was 4? I've forgotten already.
Caher.
Catter.
Caher.
Yeah? Because she doesn't usually come on a Tuesday. Drums can go in the tub. Let's take our rugs and make a nice neat stack. Let's take our rugs and make a nice neat stack. And I'll get the drum box. Where's your drum?
Thank you,
I
Al.
think it's a little drum box. All right, there. Okay, rugs on the bench and drums in the tub. Rugs on
I know you
the bench
said you were very
and
quiet.
drums in the tub. Rugs on the bench and drums in the tub. Thank you
Good job.
very much.
Very good.
To rule the lesson.
I see some rugs on the floor.
Thank you, Molly.
Well, Fiona, today's Tuesday. Fiona doesn't normally come to school on Tuesdays. Max is going back home for Patty.
Why is Fiona going home?
Thank you.
Why is Fiona going home?
Because she can't stay here every day. She's only here 3 days a week, not 5.
Why can't she?
Well, because I like to spend Tuesdays with her. We're going to go home, sit on the couch, and eat popcorn.
I love popcorn, but I don't want to eat them in my ear.
Ah, best not to put popcorn in your ear. You know what'll happen if you put popcorn in your ear?
eyeball.
Your ear will go.
Or in your eyeball.
That's not good either. Popcorn in the eyeball is very painful.
And it will pop in
Fiona,
your
if it's okay with Daddy, do you want to stay and make a camera?
It's fine by me.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Yeah, fan just in shamrock do. Fan mission dip.
Daddy will wait for you. He's not going anywhere. You want to come? Yes, okay.
Eén toch. Maar kan die.